What's up, everyone? Hope everybody is having a blessed day today. So if you're new to the channel, if you would, please check out the other videos, and if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to the videos. If you're a returning viewer, appreciate you guys coming back and checking out the new content. So today we're going to be doing a quick, easy install. We'll be installing the Memphis shades hand guards. So that's what we'll be working on today. So go ahead and drop the tailgate. This is where I like to do a lot of the stuff. So what's in the box? So instructions, we might check that out. We've got a long bracket and a short bracket. You can see the difference in the two. One's longer than the other. It looks right here, it looks like the handguard clutch side, the bracket long is the clutch, the short is the throttle. So that's probably, we're gonna just look at that and see how that goes through there, but that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up and we'll be right at it. Just like that, those two are in. All right, so as you can see, we've got both the rubber pieces in there. So now we're going to see, this is the brake side. We'll put that in, put that one in. You have a flat washer. All right, so that one is put together. So both of these are put together now. So now I'm going to move over to the bike and we'll start the install there. key on me at the moment. That's why you see it blinking. Thinks I'm trying to steal the bike. Alright everyone, so as you can see, both of them are installed now. They actually look really good on the bike. I'm actually impressed with them. If you look at these are very thick. I imagine they're made out of the same material that that part of your fairing is made out of, but these are really nice. If you look right here, I got them to help protect the wind off of my fingers and all, and actually to help with rocks. I've actually had rocks come up and hit me in the fingers before, and to be honest with you, that doesn't feel too great. I will say that I did order these from Revzilla, and I did have Revzilla Cash. If you order anything from Revzilla and you have an account, you get Revzilla Cash. So I got that, and I actually got them sent to me for really nothing. I didn't have to pay anything out of my pocket. Even for the shipping, I had enough Revzilla Cash to pay for them. So if you look right here, I do have these hand guards on my road glide. If you look, they are the Coffin cut handguards. They're stainless steel. I got these off of Amazon. Had them 1.5 years or so, and I've not had any issues with them whatsoever. If I was to damage one of them, I would order another set from them, no questions asked. I will say I like these just as much as I like these. So again, these here I got to help protect my hands from rocks coming up and hitting me, but also when you ride, when it's colder, it'll help block a little bit of the wind, and your hands will still get cold, but they won't get quite as cold as fast. So anyway, if y'all would, please like and subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. If you have suggestions for other content for either one of the bikes or something that you'd like to see, please put it in the comment down below. I'm definitely open to doing other things. I do have quite a few other mods planned for the bike, but I'm going to start doing some reviews. I'm going to go back onto the road glide and start doing some reviews on the road glide. And I think that some of the things that I've got off of Amazon, just like the hand guards, if you guys out there can save some money and do some get you some nice things to customize your bike and do it on a budget, that would definitely be helpful to you guys. So anyway, if you would, please like, subscribe to the channel, and have a blessed day.